Hi YouTube, it's Gunnerrun13 and slight problem today, so I thought I'd share this with you. I was on my way to work this morning and got a slight problem. Welcome to the blizzard of 2011. Got my neighbor's car, a little stuck in the street here. The snow slowed down a little bit for now, but there's another band coming, so they're calling for possibly up to another 10 inches of snow. A total of 24 inches of snow. But the worst part is the fact that there's going to be 45-mile-an-hour winds kicking up. So that's not going to be fun to be shoveling today. So looks like we're just going to stay in today and try to dig out and get to work tomorrow. So I want to share that with you guys. I hope wherever you are, you're a little warmer than we are, because this is not fun. But you have a good day. Talk to you guys later.